Today I am going to make and can strawberry syrup.
Yeah.
I'm back, and today I am making strawberry syrup. I ran about 6 pounds of strawberries through my food processor, added lemon juice and some sugar. I brought this to a boil and I simmered it on medium for 10 minutes. It is ready to can. And I've got my rings here, and my lids, and my funnel, and my jar lifter. And I'm going to start pulling my jars out of the counter, and we're going to get these water bathed. Okay, so that 6 pounds of strawberries gave me 5.5 pints of strawberry syrup. I'm going to bring this up to a boil, and we're going to let it boil for 10 minutes, and then we're going to pull them out and let them cool down. Alrighty, there we go. 5.5 pints of strawberry syrup. Aren't they beautiful? I will put the recipe and how I did this in the description box. That way you can take a screenshot and you can make you some strawberry syrup too. If I do this again, and I know that I will because we love homemade strawberry syrup for pancakes, ice cream, yogurt, to make strawberry lemonade, and 5.5 pints is not enough. So I'm going to have to get some more strawberries on sale and do one more canner load. But this will get us through for the next month or two. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.